Good morning, nursery class. Today is 6th day, and please open your activity book. Open page number 3. Here you see the page of tree. Firstly, you write date, CW, trace the letter. This is the letter B, capital B, and this is small b, capital B and small b. Now you start from here, draw the line. ये पेंसिल उठा लें आप. Then start from here. Okay, learn it again. Start from here. This is the right way to write the capital B. Now we write small b. Start from here, draw the line, and then round it. Okay, color the pictures that begin with sound B. B, book, B, bag, B, balloon, B, bat. So we color on it. This is aeroplane, aeroplane, car. So aeroplane start with sound a, so don't color it. This is car start from sound of k, so don't color it. Okay, now nursery class, your page 3 is done. Page number 4 is your homework. Thank you.